What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're looking at Nifty, the collaboration platform that brings all your tools together in one place. But just before we take a closer look, make sure to subscribe to Best Software Deals' YouTube channel so you stay up to date with all of our best offers. Alright, let's go. Powered Up Project Management starts with Nifty's projects. Here you'll get access to everything your team needs to stay organized. Project Dashboard, check. Roadmap, check. Tasks, check. Discussions, including group chats, private chats, and video chats, naturally. Docs, which can be created in Nifty or imported from your Google Suite, of course. File sharing and proofing. Custom modules so you can add additional views like Google Calendar, Drive, Miro, and Figma. You already know the answer. Now, let's take a closer look at one of my favorite tools, Nifty's Roadmap. Roadmaps show you the high-level milestones you've got to complete for each of your projects. And setting them up is crazy simple. You've just got to add related tasks to each milestone. Make sure that your team checks them off as they complete them, and the milestones will automatically update to reflect your progress. The visual layout helps you understand what's happening in your team. It helps your team stay on track with their deadlines, and you can even share a read-only version with other stakeholders. And Nifty's got a gorillion more awesome features I could show you, but I'm running out of time. So let's just look at automations real quick. If you want to see everything else Nifty's got to offer, you can click the link below to get all the deals. So automations. This feature lets you hook up your tasks to different rules that will help you streamline your workflow. It could be changing deadlines, assigning people, and even sending messages. How many hours would that save you every day? Yeah, Nifty has been amazing. We're way ahead of schedule, and we are crushing it.